to generate user interface designs using artificial intelligence. A specific AI tool can be utilized. This tool is capable of creating a wide range of graphic assets, including user interface elements and stock images. It allows users to produce editable UI designs from simple text descriptions, enabling faster design creation. By inputting prompts, users can generate and edit designs, making revisions with ease. The AI tool is trained on thousands of outstanding designs and is compatible with Figma, allowing for further editing. While some may wonder if this technology will replace designers, it is unlikely, as designers will still need to refine and edit the generated designs to meet client needs. The tool is still in development, and early access can be requested. This AI technology learns from top users, enabling the creation of unique designs with icons and AI-generated illustrations. Overall, the tool has the potential to save designers a significant amount of time by generating complex UI designs quickly.